Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to download Zynga Poker on your device. Now the process to download this game is pretty similar for both Android and iOS. On your device, go to its store. It will be the Google Play Store if you are on Android, and it will be the App Store if you are on iOS. Go ahead and open your respective store. Now on the search bar of the store, type in Zynga Poker. The official Zynga Poker game should pop right in front of you. Just tap on the install button, which is right next to the app icon. Now the game will download and install automatically on your device. But depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. And once the download is complete, you can open up the game and play it for yourself. And that's it for how to download Zynga Poker on your device. If you have any confusion, just leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.